Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Fidelity 401k for workplace retirement investing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install a Fidelity 401k for workplace retirement investing, begin by checking if your employer offers a 401k plan. Review the plan details provided by your employer, including contribution limits and matching contributions. If available, create your Fidelity account by visiting the Fidelity website. Click on the Open an Account button prominently displayed on the home page. Select Individual Retirement Account when prompted, and opt for the 401k option. You will be asked to provide your personal information such as your name, address, and social security number. Fill in your employment details, including your employer's name and your job title. Next, indicate your desired contribution percentage based on your salary and financial goals. Understand the importance of employer matching and maximize your contributions to take full advantage of this benefit. Review the investment options available within your 401k plan. Consider diversifying your investments across different asset classes. Once you've selected your investments, confirm your choices and proceed to the next step. Fidelity might request additional information for account verification. Check your email for a verification message to confirm your identity. After verification, you may set up your account preferences, including setting up the contribution schedule. Decide if you want your contributions to be deducted from each paycheck automatically. Make sure to review any fees associated with the 401k plan to ensure you understand the cost implications. Once everything is set up, monitor your account regularly. Revisit your investment choices periodically to ensure they align with your retirement goals. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if you need personalized advice on your 401k investment strategy. Congratulations, you are now on your way to building a secure retirement with a Fidelity 401k. Stay informed about changes in the plan options and contribution limits as you continue to invest in your future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.